One of the selling points of this book is that it has a bonus included. All right, and I said that in today's video I'm going to walk you through step by step how to achieve this for your cookbook. All right, I'm going to show us the exact method to download a free bonus and include it inside of your book. In my previous video, I showed us a particular cookbook topic that makes over $7,000 monthly on Amazon KDP. And while we were checking out the video, right, we saw a particular book, and this is the book right here, the 5-ingredient longevity cookbook. Okay, we looked at this book interior and we saw how that one of the things that is making this book sell is due to the fact that the author included a bonus inside of the book. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through step by step how to achieve this for your cookbook. So the first site I'm going to take us to is what is called Gumroad. Alright, this is the site we will go to first. So we just put gumroad.com on your Google browser. Okay, so when you come to Gumroad and it has opened up, we want to now search for a bonus that we can use. So I'm going to go to ChatGPT first of all, right? I want to ask ChatGPT for bonus ideas. Let's assume you actually want to work with this particular title. All right, you copy out this title and let ChatGPT suggest to us bonus that we can include. We want to have an idea, right, of the kind of bonus that will be suitable for our book. That is exactly what we want to find out. So let's ask ChatGPT for ideas. So I told ChatGPT I wrote a cookbook titled 5-ingredient longevity cookbook. For example, if you are crafting your cookbook with ChatGPT, you don't need this prompt, right? If you are crafting your cookbook with ChatGPT, you don't need this prompt. All you just have to do is just to tell ChatGPT to suggest, after it has generated content for your cookbook, ask it to give you bonus ideas that you can include, that people can download and read, right? Okay, longevity meal prep guide, the 21-day longevity kickstart, longevity smoothies and drinks. Okay, 5-minute longevity snacks, the longevity kitchen swap guide, mindful eating for a longer life. So you can write a short book on this. Alright, but this is not about writing book. I want to just show how to download something, right? The longevity shopping list companion. Wow. Okay, 5-ingredient desserts for longevity. So I'm going to go with meal prep guide. Meal prep guide. Alright, that is what I'm going to go with. I'll copy this out. And I'll go to Gumroad. I'll search for meal prep guide and let me hit the search button. Now when I search it out, some filters are going to come up here, right? So because without these filters, if you come to this site, you're going to see that all this has prices. We are looking for the ones without a price. So I'll go to price and I'll just put my maximum to be 0. So I want to see only the free meal prep guide. Okay, so after searching for it, I will have to download free 3D plant-based meal plan, batch cooking, 90-day transformation. You can load more and we can see more. Simple meal prep guide, eat healthy, keto and a healthy diet, keto recipes, free ebook, balanced bites, simple recipes for managing blood sugar. Okay, so your guide to delicious and nutritious treats, healthy snacks. Wow, so we can actually use this healthy snacks, your guide to delicious and nutritious treats, eating healthy on a budget, meal prep, simple and convenient. Wow, okay. So let's see these healthy snacks, because one of the bonus that ChatGPT gave to us is 5-minute longevity snacks. Okay, let's see what this has to do about quick and easy snack recipes. Okay, so you can actually include this as your bonus. We'll download this. Actually, when you download this and you want to set it up as a barcode, right, I'll show how to set it up. You can still collect their email, okay, because people might not actually want to sign up just because you ask them to sign up. Okay, they will actually want to receive something for free. Okay, and that way you cannot get their email address, right? So name a fair price, you will put 0. You actually want to get it for free, and then you choose add to cart. All right, so they're going to ask you for your email address. So this is your email address. If you have not put your email address, you might be asked to sign up. All right, you might be asked to sign up. So add a tip. I'm not adding any tip. I'll put 0. Okay, then I'll click on get. So I'm going to click on get, and they are going to send my book to the email address. All right, they have sent the receipt to my email. Next thing I'm going to do is to download this book. Okay, it came as a PDF, the bonus sheets, the healthy snacks. So it came as a PDF, so I'll download it. I'll look for a place to save the work. I'll click on save. Okay, and it's going to save. I'll also download this. You can put 2 free bonus for your book, right? I'll click on download again, and it's going to download. It's going to download again. All right, so now we have our 2 bonus free created for us. So let's open it up and let's see actually what this bonus entails. So I've opened this healthy snacks, your delicious guide. So let me open this one first. Open with, all right, let me open with WPS. Let's hope it opens up fast. Okay, so this is our first book. Now you can actually now customize this to make this unique, right? So that you don't just upload exactly the way you see it. Okay, you can actually customize this to make it look unique and make it your own. Okay, so we have what we need as our bonus. All right, like I said, you can actually customize this to make it unique. You can change the images just to make sure that you have everything you need. It makes it your own. But if not, you can just upload it like this, right? So let's just go ahead and set it up for our book. So we have 2 bonus. We want to include 2 bonus in our cookbook, right? We have our bonuses ready already. Okay, so when you come to the site, right? When you come to the Gumroad site, this is how it's going to look like. This is where we were before we started searching for products. Okay, and I said for you to download your bonus, you need to have an account with them for you to be able to download your bonus. Okay, so when you want to click on start selling, then they will ask you to put your email, or you can just sign up with your Google account. Always make sure that your author name is what you use to create your email address. Okay, always use your author name to create your email address. Okay, so when you want to create an email address that you use for Gumroad, okay, pay attention. This is very, very important. Use your author name, Kevin wagonfoot@gmail.com. Okay, don't go and use your real name. If you have a pen name as your cookbook, okay, author name, use that particular name to create your Gmail account. So whenever you are signing up on this Gumroad, that is the account you are going to use to sign up. Okay, you can come down here and put that particular email address, put it here at Gmail. I don't know which author name you're going to use. Put in your password and then choose create account. Okay, it's as easy as that. It's so easy. It's not something you should miss. So when you have signed up on the account, this is how your platform is going to look like. Okay, so this is, I already have an account with them, right? This is my account. I even have some products already. I have some. If you go to products, okay, because that's where you're going to go to after you have signed up with your author email address, right? You want to come to products. Okay, all right, so when you come to the products tab, right, You're going to see these are the list of my products. Okay, so this is not for Amazon. It's not for Amazon at all. All right, so I'm going to come to new products, go to new products. They'll ask you for the name of the product. Okay, so you have to just go back to where you downloaded. You have to rename it so that it doesn't look as if you're just taking from their site and still putting back the book on the site, right? You call it longevity snack bonus. Okay, just to make sure it looks different, right? So we have this bonus sheet swap guide. So let's use this. So I'm going to copy this. I'll copy this. I'll go back to the site. I'll put it as the name of my product. So they'll ask me what kind of product is it? A digital product? Is it a course? Is it an ebook? Okay. Is it a membership? Is it bundles, services, call, coffee? So I'm going to put digital product. Okay. I'm going to choose digital product. The price for the product will be 0 because it's a bonus. We want to give it to them for free, right? So this is the name. It's a digital product, right? Any set of files to download the stream. So I'll click next to customize it. So we have the name. So the reason why it's important to use your author email address is because of this here. This is the link you will be converting to a QR code. But let's continue. So this is the name of our bonus, longevity snack bonus. All right. Just in case in your book you didn't include snacks, you can just tell them, get this snack bonus for longevity. All right, quick bites for longevity. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to give me a short description for this bonus, and then ChatGPT is going to give you a very short description, and then you copy it out, go back there, paste your description. All right, so this URL is what you need. So you can choose to put anything. Longevity snacks. All right, so this is going to be the URL. That's why I said always use your author email so that your name is not what is showing. As you can see, this is my name, right? So what should actually be showing here is your author name. Okay, your author name, Kevin. That's what should be showing here if you did it very well. So kevin.gumroad.com/this. So whenever your customers click on your link and come to this site, all right, they are not going to see your real name, they'll see your pen name. Okay, if you have a custom domain, maybe a website, you can put your website here if you want to, or you can skip this. So they'll ask you for a cover. All right, you must upload a cover. Okay, so you can just go back to this book. We opened it before, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm trying to see if I can save this. Okay, if you can't save the image, you can just crop it. Use the crop tool on your system to crop the image, right? Or you can go to Canva and create a particular cover. Okay, it's up to you. I don't want this video to be too long, so you can go to Canva and create a cover for your bonus. You should be able to design a cover for your bonus. Okay, so that when they go to the site to download it, they can see your name, they can see everything. So I'll go back to this site now, upload image or video, computer files. So I'm going to choose this. I'll click open. So the cover is uploaded. They're asking us for thumbnail. I'll upload the same thumbnail again. Image must be square, 600 by 600. Okay, so let's see, let's crop this out. So I have to edit this into a square, and the list should be 600 by 600. So let's go to Canva. Let's go to Canva and make our work faster. Canva.com. Let's go to Canva. Let's create a new design. Login. Continue with Google. So we are using Canva finally. Signing me in. Accept cookies. So I'm going to create a new design and make sure it is 700 by 700 or so. Then I will bring in that particular image. What's the problem? I'm wondering why it's not square. Okay, so let's check and be sure it is square. 700 by 700. Okay, so let's bring this again. So let's reposition it. Okay, so after doing this, I'm going to share it, I'm going to download it, and then I'm going to go and upload it. So I will download as PNG, right? So I'll click on download. Then I'll come back here, click on upload, and choose the file. Click upload. So it's going to upload right now. So that is how to cross this place. You will need to use Canva, right? You need to use Canva to work. Product info, call to action, I want this. Summary, no need to add this. Additional details, no need to add additional details. Pricing should be 0. Minimum amount, suggested amount. Allow customers to pay what they want. So in case your customers wants to gift you, all right, so the cost of your book is actually 0. Okay, the cost of your book is actually 0. But in case your customers love your book and they want to gift you, they want to show appreciation, I've had people do that to my book, right? I've had someone actually get my bonus and leave me a thank you, okay, for the bonus. They gave me a particular amount. All right, so version of your product, leave it. Settings, limit product sales, allow customers to choose the quantity they want, publicly show the number of sales of your product on your product page. Okay, specify refund policy for this product. You can allow them to choose the number of quantity they want to get. You can show the number of sales, or you can hide it, depending on you. After that, you click on save and continue. You move to content. So they'll ask you to submit, enter the content, right? They'll ask you for the content. So this is where you want to upload file. You want to choose computer file, and then you want to choose the products, and then choose open. All right, so it's going to upload the products. See where I clicked on here, upload files. You can insert a link, but this is the best. Upload the file that you want them to actually download. Okay, so you set it into your Gumroad account. So with this now we are done. We can hit publish and continue, and our file is going to be published. So if you check my product now, you are going to see the book. Okay, so longevity snacks bonus. So I have this book hosted on a particular site now, and this is the link to the site. So once I copy this now, anybody with this link can get this book. Anybody with this link, no matter where the person is, can actually access and download this book. The fastest way to convert this now into a QR code is directly from this page itself. Remember, this is the website, this is the link you want to convert to a barcode, right? So how do we convert this link into a barcode? And I said the fastest way to do that is to right click on this page and choose create QR code for this page. Okay, create QR code for this page. This is fast and free. So Google is going to create this QR code for you, and you can include it in your book. I'll click on download, and it's going to download it somewhere. Keep it in a safe place. After downloading your QR code, this is the QR code here. You can bring it into your documents, and you can use it for your cookbooks, right? So anybody who scans this barcode now is going to automatically take them to this site here. All right, so with that, we have come to the end of this video. I'm sure you have gotten value from today's video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I'll be dropping more videos like this that will help you skyrocket your sales and make you more money on Amazon. All right, see you in my next video.